Are you a lawyer, doctor, consultant, trainer, chartered accountant, surgeon, chef, photographer, designer, musician, counselor, choreographer? Or are you running a saloon, dance studio, gym, creche, bakery, boutique, school, institute, law firm, restaurant, NGO, jewelry business, handicraft business? Or are you hosting any event, function, or party? Or is it your marriage or birthday or anniversary of someone close in your family and friends? Or are you planning to start your online video blogs, comic strip and magazine subscription? And have you been looking for a web programmer who can make awesome website for your work, business, event or any other thing? You need not find anyone now because you can create great looking websites on your own in just one day without writing any code. The biggest advantage to create it on your own is that you never have to be dependent on any programmer and you can save lots of money. You can update your website anytime you want. This course is specially designed for non-technical people who knows nothing about website creation and programming. So each step is explained in very simple and clear way. You can create your website in numerous designs. I'll show you a few examples. In this course, you will learn how to book a domain, how to create a website with customized content, how to add videos, photos, forms, documents, presentation, slideshows, social networking buttons and various other elements, how to make your website look attractive, and a brief info about how to make quick demo video about your business. So take this class and create a beautiful website on your own in just one day.